You are the shining star and gifts of God. You all are the children, best of the rest. First of all, wish you very very happy Children's Day to you all on this precious occasion. Why I am telling precious? Yes, Children's Day, of course. That's why I am telling it. Okay, it's a very precious occasion for the teachers also, because how I forget, you all made too many Teachers Day for us, very special. So that's why we all have decided today your day will make you all very special. So first we will discuss about the Children's Day. Some one thing I am going to share with you. It is very interesting. Before 1964, India observed Children's Day on 20th of November. It was Universal Children Day by United Nation. But Nehru's demise in 1964 celebrated to his birth anniversary as a Children Day. So that was the history of the Children Day. Now, one thing I would like to tell you, dear children, you all are the most beautiful flower of the God's garden. Yes, you all are the most beautiful flowers of the God's garden, and we all the teachers are very lucky to get the chance to spend too many hours along with you all, because I never forget that thing, because your heart is very pure, your soul is very pure, and you all are the person who always live very near to God. That's why, dear children, today I would like to say something. Always believe yourself. Don't think about that I can't do it. Always you should try. You have to follow that I will do it. And that day you will be think like that I will do it. After that you will think it. Yes, I can do it. And later on you will say I did it. So please believe yourself. Never let down yourself. And second thing I kindly request to you all, please respect to your parents. Parents are the God of earth. Yes, because whatever thing if we want, who provide us? Yes, parents. If you need of clothes, who provide to you? Parent. If you need of food, who provides you? Parents. So that's why we always need to take care of the parents and be obedient, because before going to become a doctor, engineer, whatsoever, first we need to become a good human being, and always respect to your parents and try to fulfill their dream, because we all have to be take care of them. Okay, लास्ट चलते चलते आपसे मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, बिफोर गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग, फर्स्ट you ask yourself why. Yes, when you will start to ask this question, why this work I am doing it, so you all will get the passion. When passion come, then emotion will come. When emotion come, so you all will definitely achieve whatever you want. So dear children, you all are the real champion, because in every situation you all have shown your talent, really. Because I couldn't forget that date when government declared complete lockdown in India, 25th of March. So that was the very shocking moment for me. But from that day to till now, you all have done too many activities If we talk about, we celebrated Independence Day. We conducted we conducted quite nicely summer activity also, Hindi Divas and National Unity Day. And here recently we celebrated that Education Day, and now we are celebrating Children's Day and Diwali too. So I am very proud of you, my children. So always keep believe yourself and always try to shine like a star. So again, wish you very very happy Children's Day. And this Children's is very special. Why? You can imagine it. Yes, because God has also given a gift as a Diwali. Yes, you all celebrate Diwali also, and wish you very very happy Diwali. Wish you and for your family a prosperous Diwali. So please children, take care of yourself, enjoy the festival and enjoy your day. Jai Hind.